Good morning class, welcome back with Miss Anggi in science class. Okay, for today we are going to learn about classification, living and non-living things. Okay, let's talk about living things, non-living things, and you will get conclusion and test yourself. Okay, the things we see around us can be divided into two groups. There are living things and non-living things. We will talk about living things first. Okay, what are living things? Living things are things that are alive. Living things need food, water, and also air to stay alive. The characteristic of living things. They are grow, move, respond to change around them, reproduce, respire, and extrude. Okay, I will explain one by one. The living things can grow. When living things become bigger, we say they grow. When a living things grow, it can increase in height, size, and change its appearance. For example, human from baby to adult. Yeah, it must be getting bigger, getting taller. Okay, like animals like tadpole. Tadpole grow, become a frog, and also the plants. Plants grow from the seed, becomes a tree. Okay, living things can move. Living things can move by themselves. Different living things move in different way. Some can move about in more than one way. For example, man can walk, can run, or can crawl. Some animals can also swim or fly. Okay, like a tiger. Tiger can climb the trees. Tiger also can run fast, and tiger also can swim. Okay, living things respond to change around them. Heat, sound, light, and touch can affect how living things behave. From example, if we shiver when we feel very cold, or we sweat when we feel warm. The sunflowers respond to light by growing towards it. Or when a mimosa plant is touched, its leaf close up. Not all living things respond in some way to change around them. Some living things respond to movement. Okay, produce. Living things have young. They reproduce. The young of humans, animals, and plants come from their parents. Adult humans, plants, and animals can have young. Some animals, such as hen, ducks, crocodiles, lay the eggs on land, but frogs and fish lay the eggs in water. Humans give birth to their young. Some animals also give birth, like cats and dogs. Plants can reproduce too. Many types of plants reproduce from seed. Why is it important for living things to reproduce? It's important because living things die when they become old, or illness, or when they are eaten by other living things. As the result, they are no longer exist. Living things reproduce so that their own kind will continue to exist. Okay, so the example of living things are human, animals, plants, fungi, and bacteria. Okay, the characteristic the living things are respire, All living things must be able to exchange gases with the atmosphere, which is called respiration. Okay, and the living things can excrete. This is removal of waste the body, for example, sweat and urine. Now let's talk about non-living things. Non-living things are things that were once alive or never been alive. These things do not need food, water, and air. These things do not have the ability to reproduce or give birth, grow, and change on their own, or respond to change around them. Some examples of living things include car, comb, doll, table, bicycle, or shoes, ya. Non-living things can be divided into two groups: those which were never part of living things, such as stone and gold; those which were once part of living things, such as coal. Coal was formed when trees die and sunk into the soft ground. Paper is non-living things, but it is also made from trees. Jam is not living things, but it's made from fruit of plants. Non-living things can be made of materials such as wood, glass, rubber, metals, ceramic, fabric, and plastic. Okay, take a look. It's the picture in the form. Which of these are living things? Which are non-living things? Okay, which of these are living things? Okay, correct. There are humans, cow, pig, horse, sheep, and also hen. Which are non-living things? That's what is that? Tractor? Car? What else? What else? The farm and hat. Okay, take a look and you can find out the others. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bye bye.